The world is screwed up and the history is being rewritten. So, are you a part of this or not? Still, many in this market have this question. And when psychology is low and price of an asset is down, that's when negativity is at its high. So, listen to this.
And what about the XRP? Because you've often said it's integral to the plan. Banks are going to use it. Western Union is going to use it. And yet, there's been some reports that this stuff it's the third most valuable cryptocurrency out there, but is there really a real world use for it?
So, when we move around in the interview, this is the value proposition laid out by Brad Garlinghouse himself.
And to your point, I don't think JP Morgan Chase, they're one of the largest liquidity providers on the planet. Citibank's one of the largest liquidity providers on the planet. So do I think, for a dollar yen, dollar euro, no. But, look, if you go talk to a lot of banks around the world, they're paying Citibank for liquidity. They're paying JPM for liquidity. And if they can then use a product like XRapid to fund real-time liquidity into, let's say, the Philippines, into Brazil, that's a big shift for them in a very positive way.
Now, first thing, it's not XRapid now. It's rebranded. It's the ODL, or the on-demand liquidity. And as you guys heard about the corridors, Philippines, Brazil's, those corridors are growing. So the statement is valid 100%. The volume through those corridors are hitting all-time highs. And I hear people say, BTC can be used in XRP ledger to solve this issue, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I agree. BTC can be used, but you really have to listen to what Brad thinks, and because that's the thing which actually matters. So for those who still have that doubt, I present this.
Well, couldn't XRapid use Bitcoin? And the answer actually is it could. And we've even thought about, architecting the product. There may be circumstances where we would use that because of liquidity. But a Bitcoin transaction today, on average, takes about 45 minutes in, 45 minutes out. So you're talking about an hour and a half of volatility risk as opposed to 3 seconds. So we think XRP is very uniquely positioned to solve that cross-border payments problem.
If you see value in the video, please do hit the like, subscribe, and the bell notification icon to get notified about the future videos.
We'll tell you how easy it is to invest and how you should go about it. What I'd like you to know is that it's not easy. That the future is unknowable. It throws you a lot of curveballs. You can't know which event will occur. There'll be a distribution of possibilities, and you have to allow for many of them, not just one.
So that's the truth about investing. So what should you do about it to be a successful investor? Here's the key.
The stock market is not efficient, mainly because people are not efficient. They're not rational, they're not objective, they're not constant. They fluctuate all the time. And the key is to not fluctuate with them, to see when they're overrating things and underrating things, and to try to move in the opposite direction.
It was easily said. Move against the herd. But the point raised about understanding, overrating and underrating, and then to move opposite is a valuable message, because when I look at the charts, say this chart I'll show you is the weekly chart of XRP, and it is understood that we came down 97% from the top, and we are still around 96% down from the all-time highs. And for me, that's kind of underrated asset, and the price is so low. So people are actually underrating this asset, and I'm going in.
Why is value, as you write in the book, a more important thing than growth?
Value is here and now. Growth is potential in the future. If you could quantify and predict growth, you could make a lot of money, but you can't do it that consistently. It's much less likely to be a mistake if you quantify value in the here and now.
So that's why it looks like a good time for me to invest more. And as you just heard from Howard, this is what makes it valuable in terms of looking at the value. This is what I can understand. So you can ask how I can understand the value.
The best way to find value is to understand the assets of the company, understand its ability to produce cash flow, and have a handle on how much cash flow it's going to throw off this year and next.
And then when it comes to investing, controlling or managing the risk is critical towards becoming a successful investor. And many ask this.
Talk a lot in the book about understanding and controlling risk. Now, it seems awful hard, especially in a volatile market with so much happening in the world, whether it be China or Greece. How do you do it?
The best way to control risk is to ascertain value and buy for less. You can't possibly do the right thing if you don't have a firm handle on what the value is. Somebody says buy this stock. Somebody says it has a great new product. Somebody says it's going up tomorrow. Those are not reasons to buy a stock. If you understand the value and can hold firm even when the price fluctuates, that's the best way to control risk.
So there is no much better explanation for me holding XRP. It's not because someone said to buy, but because I understand the underlying value and the price and the psychology. Because currently the psychology is low, I'm holding during this volatility. And as you see in this, if you do not understand the value of what you have invested in, then it's time to do more research and to reinforce your database and foundation about XRP. Because this is actually happening, and this shows history is being rewritten and we are becoming a part of it. The on-demand liquidity and XRP is going to dominate the world, because for guys like Howard Marks, they think that the world is more screwed up. And when they actually state that it's screwed up, we know that the liquidity is being the issue, and there is a direct connection with IMF, World Bank, central bankers and Ripple. And they are currently hinting you this, that we are part of the new history. And I'm ready to buy and hold more of this particular asset as we move further. If you see value in the video, please do hit the like, subscribe and the bell notification icon to get notified about the future videos. Help the channel grow, reach out to more of our community members.